one of the quickest way to save money online is by using coupons and discount codes. I open Microsoft Edge, and in this page I'm placing an order on papajohns.com, and I can copy the code and paste it there, but for the sake of this video I click apply. So now it's adjusting my cashback, okay, and automatically the discount goes to my order. So if you look now, there's negative $4.88. So that's how much discount I just received, and I didn't have to do anything. All I did was click apply, and he applied it to my account, and you can see the saved amount is $4.88. Okay, now I'm on Amazon, and I click the coupon icon here on Edge, and you can see the type of coupons that are available right now for this page that I'm on. So if you click on that specific coupon and it takes you to the air purifier page, you can see other items, and also you can see the price history. So not only you can see items from other websites, but you see the price history. For example, eBay, and you can also track the price of an item, and you get alert when this item goes below 20%, if the price goes below 20%. And this is a really great feature, and that's already included. You don't need to download the plugin for it. So we're gonna look for another item, and let's look at this solar panel. As you can see, it's 27% off, and if you look at the price history here, this actually is discounted, because in the past you'll see the price went up a little bit to $34, and now it's $25. I hope this was helpful to you. Please like the video and subscribe.